Let's crush an instant nerdle. We got a scrambled up math equation that we have to unscramble. We're doing multiplication today. That's going to go in one of two spots, either second or third. The equal sign is definitely going to go here, and this is going to equal a triple digit number. Typically, I like to work with the ones digits and try to make that work. Actually, with multiplication, I kind of like working with the tens digits. Let's assume the multiplication sign goes there first. I can't put a 6 in this first spot because it's purple, and purple stuff has to move. Green stuff stays the same, so that's why the 4 is here. If I try to put a 1 out front, that's just going to equal 40 probably. We need a triple digit number, so I need a bigger number than 1 if this is going to be the double digit number here. So if I put a 9 out front, that would be 360. That almost works. I don't think this is going to work, but it almost does. Okay, so 90 times 4 is 360. So this would be a 3 out front. And then if I put a 6 here, so I'm just going to work from left to right. If I try to put a 6 here, that would be 6 times 4 plus 360. So that would be 384. That doesn't work. We don't have an 8. 1 doesn't work here. 9 doesn't. We already used the 9. We didn't use the 2 yet. Yeah, but again, 2 times 4 is 8, so this would end in an 8. So this doesn't work. So 9 doesn't work out front. 20 times 4, maybe. Okay, we could get maybe into the hundreds. So 20 times 4 is 80. This number would have to be bigger than 5, because 25 times 4 is 100. We have to get this into the hundreds. So if I put a 6 here, that's, what is that, 104, so we don't have a 0. 29 would be the only one that I would think might work. I don't think it's going to. 29 times 4 is 116. Yeah, so that doesn't work. All right, so 2 doesn't work out front. 3 is the only number I have left to try if the multiplication sign goes here. So 3, 30, so again, this would be in the hundreds. If I do 36, 30 times 4 is 120, plus 6 times 4 would be 144. Yeah, that doesn't work. 1 we already used. If I put a 9 here, 40 times 4 is 160, so this would be 156. That doesn't work. If I put a 2 here, ends in an 8, that doesn't work, so this doesn't work. All right. So I tried every number with the multiplication sign here. I'm going to try the multiplication sign here now. So what different numbers can I put here? It's not going to be a 1 because we need a triple digit number here. Could be a 9. If we put a 9 there and a 6 here, we're in the 500s. That's not going to work. If we put a 1 here, that's in the 100s. It's not going to work. If we put a 2 here, maybe. 9 times 24, so 180 plus 36. It's probably 2, yeah, it's 200 something, right? Yeah, so it doesn't work. We already used our 2. 9, okay, 34. 3 is the last number to check. 9 times 30 is 270 plus 36 would be in the 300s, so that doesn't work. So 9 doesn't work. Run out of options here. If I put a 2 out here, 2 times 64 is 128. I can't use a 2 again. 2 times 14 is not big enough. 2 times 94, it's not going to work. It's 188. 2 times 34 is not a 3-digit number, and this is the very last thing that I'm trying. Hopefully the 3 works. 6, yep, 192. 3 times 64 is 192. And there's an instant error for it, dude. There it is. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.